Hello, boys. It does. You make me one. One. Oh wait. I'll take one.
Okay.
One's enough.
Then give me the dimension. I need 2-dimensional diameter.
Okay. I don't know what that is. I gotta look it up. This is one of my favorite things to do right here. You alright? Oh, it's that, the neck strap and the heat. Mine's going to be kind of hot too. Mine's going to be hot too because there's no cooling in there. That's hot.